this movie over here, we'll see lots of action. It's a good combination of Sonu Soodji and Jackie. I'm sure people will love it. And apart from this, I wish to see more of Sonu Soodji and Jackie, and the combination people will really enjoy. I'm sure everyone is going to love this, and we have taken this as an executive producer, and we would like to associate in more of such movies. I'm sure this movie is going to do brilliant.
రియలీ వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఎందుకంటే మన ఇండియన్ చలనచిత్ర నటులు ఈరోజు ప్రపంచానికే చాటి చెప్పే విధంగా ఈ యొక్క జాకీ చైన్ సినిమాలో నిజంగా సోను సూద్ గారు చేయడం, మరి ఇలాంటి సినిమాను సౌత్ ఇండియా ప్రేక్షకులకు అందిస్తున్నటువంటి మేడం కల్పన గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా కృతజ్ఞతలు. మరి ఈ యొక్క కార్యక్రమానికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి అందరికీ, అన్న కళ్యాణ్ అన్న గారికి మరియు మిత్రులందరికీ కూడా పేరు పేరున హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
కుంగ్ఫూ యోగా మా ఇంట్లోంచి రెడీ అయ్యి రిలీజ్ అవుతుంటాం. ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ ప్రౌడ్. ఎందుకంటే హాలీవుడ్ సినిమాలు ఇప్పటి వరకు 3 జోనర్లలో హయ్యెస్ట్ సక్సెస్ సాధించినటువంటి ఒకటి జేమ్స్ బాండ్ అడ్వెంచర్స్ ఫిల్మ్స్, 2 పిల్లలకు బాగా ఇదైనటువంటి దగ్గరైన డిస్నీల్యాండ్ ఫిలిమ్స్. వాల్ట్ డిస్నీ ఇది చేసింది. ఎక్కువ సినిమాలు పిల్లల సినిమాలు బాగా ఎక్కువ సక్సెస్ అయింది. దాని తర్వాత హయ్యెస్ట్ సక్సెస్ ఫిలిమ్స్ జాకీ చాన్ సినిమాలు. ఎందుకంటే అది పిల్లలకి, మాస్కి, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్కి అన్నిటినీ మిక్స్ అయ్యేటటువంటి జోనర్ ఇది.
I just want to say that it really means a lot to me that this movie is going to get released in both Tamil and Telugu. At the end of the day, we spent a lot of time and a lot of hard work working on this one, and I'm really grateful that I've got such amazing distributors and producers on board as well. And I just hope you all enjoy it. You'll have seen the trailer, you'll have seen the songs, and like it's just an Indo-China connect and synergy, and it's going to be fun. So enjoy.
All these years that I've learned from all the producers, directors, writers, and I think because you wrote such beautiful lines, because you gave me such brilliant movies, because you made me look good, actors like Jackie Chan on all the films that I'm doing it, they could see that potential and they casted me. So it's not me. I haven't done anything great. I think it's because of you I'm here today, and from the bottom of my heart I want to thank you so much for making this journey so special. It's not that Telugu industry misses me. I miss Telugu industry more than anyone, and I promise you that this year I'll have definitely 1 or 2 films coming up, and I really miss you all, and I want to be with you very, very soon. So thank you so much for all the love, and Kalpana ma'am, thank you so much for this association. Also, we'll make a great film, and what I learned from Jackie Chan was that when you want to become a legend like Jackie Chan, you have to be very humble, very grounded. He was one person who used to feed everyone on the sets with his own hands, from the lightman to a spot boy to a director to an actor. He used to get fruits for everyone, and with his hands he used to feed each and everyone. Even if a lightman is up there, then he used to send someone, just give those fruits to him. So I think he's a very grounded and very focused, very hardworking actor. And what I taught him, I'm not worth teaching him anything. This I like you said, this production is huge. One of the costliest Jackie Chan movies. It's shot in 4 countries. We have shot in Dubai, we have shot in Iceland, we have shot in Beijing, we have shot in India. I remember when I was reading the script, the car chase, which took almost 28 days in Dubai, with Lamborghinis, Bugattis, lots of things, whole Sheikh Zayed road was blocked for these car chases. When I read that script, I realized this is something larger than life that they have written it. Writing is something different, and shooting is something different. So how will they shoot it? But they shot it, I think, all thanks to Stanley Tong, who's a brilliant director and one of my favorites. when you'll sit in the theaters and you'll watch this film, you'll feel that you have traveled to Iceland, to all these countries. It's so brilliantly done. I think almost for 1 year we shot, every day. Almost we should go, me, Amira. I remember in Beijing the temperature was -10, -15 degrees, but we used to get up at 5:36 in the morning and used to train with Jackie Chan stunt team. They are the world's best, and every day used to train us, and that's why we were able to do all these stunts. I did another Indo-Chinese film which is called Xuanzang. It's an official entry for Oscars this year from China. So that's one film I completed. Thank you. And yeah, I'm missing Telugu more. We have lots of producers, writers, directors. So sign me before I go back. Maybe I'll stay here also. I'll start shooting, sir.
There's no signature style, but you'll definitely see a different side of me. I think in Anegan I was a little more serious and dramatic. Here it's more comedy and fun and just like action back. So yeah, you'll see me doing action in this.